Little Wolf loves to cook. In a deep forest, there lived a little gray wolf named Ash. Unlike other wolves, Ash had no interest in hunting. Instead, he had an unusual dream to become a chef and open his very own restaurant. Every day, Ash would wander through the forest, gathering mushrooms, wild berries, and honey. He would then return to his cave and experiment with recipes from an old cookbook left by his grandfather. Sadly, the other animals were too scared of wolves to believe that Ash could be a real chef. No one dared to visit his restaurant. One day, Ash decided to take a bold step. He hung up a wooden sign in the middle of the forest that read, "Ash's fantastic restaurant. I promise to feed you, not eat you." On the first day, Ash prepared a delightful mushroom soup and pine cone cookies. He waited eagerly for his first customer. But no one came. As a bunny hopped past, it whispered to a squirrel, "Don't go near that place. He's a wolf. He will eat you for sure." Hearing this, Ash's ears dropped. But he wasn't about to give up. He needed to find a way to prove to the animals that he truly loved cooking, not hunting. As luck would have it, the annual forest cooking contest was just around the corner. It was the perfect opportunity for Ash to show his skills. The contest winner would earn the prestigious title of Forest Garment Master and receive a golden spatula as a prize.
Wow!
Ash worked day and night to perfect his recipes. On the day of the contest, he entered with his signature dishes: honey mushroom cake, berry and asparagus salad. When the other animals saw Ash, they whispered nervously and kept their distance. But Ash raised his paw and said, "Please don't be afraid. I'm here to share my food, not to harm anyone." The judges hesitated, but eventually they took a small bite. Instantly, their eyes lit up. Whoa! This is the best mushroom cake I have ever tasted, exclaimed the bunny. Even the fox, known for being extremely picky, gave a satisfied nod. Ash's cooking won the contest, earning him the golden spatula, and the trust of the animals. From that day on, the forest began to see Ash in a new light. With his new reputation as a talented chef, Ash's restaurant became the busy spot in the forest. Animals from all around came to try his creative dishes, such as slippery mushroom ice cream, wild honey pizza with berry topping. Ash also became known for his generosity. If an animal couldn't afford to pay, Ash would simply say, "A smile is enough for me." One day, a curious bunny asked, "Ash, why do you love cooking so much? Most wolves just hunt for food." Ash smiled and replied, "Because cooking brings everyone together. I'd rather fill hearts with joy than fill my stomach with prey." To celebrate his success, Ash hosted a friendship feast and invited all the animals in the forest. The feast was filled with laughter, delicious food,
Yummy!
and happy memories. From then on, Ash wasn't just the best chef in the forest, he was also its most beloved friend.
Woohoo!
As Ash's restaurant grew in popularity, he began wearing a special chef's hat with the words, "I cook, I don't hunt." The animals loved it, and it became a symbol of Ash's unique identity. No one was afraid of him anymore, and everyone agreed, "Ash is the heart of our forest." Kids, I hope you like the story. See you next time. Good night.